This program is made possible by Mason's Wallet and patrons like you. Thank you. So, my desk has been really messy lately. There's a bunch of trash, there's dishes, there's things that don't need to be there, there's actual computer stuff that I just don't use anymore that's sitting on my desk. So I really want to tidy it up, clean it up a little bit, and cut out the clutter. Just make sure I don't have things that I'm not using, go for a little more of a minimalist approach. So, I'm gonna get to cleaning and just trying to transform it right now. Guys, I thought we were gonna be cleaning up. I went ahead and took this as an opportunity to make some upgrades, so I want to present to you my mid-2018 desk setup. I do all of my recording on a Blue Yeti USB microphone. The microphone is attached to a newer arm stand, which I have routed behind the back of the monitors. For displays, I have two Dell U2414H monitors. These are only 1080p, but they feature incredibly thin bezels, as you can see. They also have these very convenient USB ports in the back, so I can do things like charge my headphones. My headphones are the HS70 wireless gaming headset in white by Corsair. They're very comfortable, the sound quality is really good. The mic isn't that great, but it's detachable, so I don't have to use it. The keyboard is the Logitech G613 wireless mechanical gaming keyboard. This thing has incredibly fast 1 millisecond response time, and the battery life is insane. The mouse is the Razer Naga Epic. I've had it for a few years, so to get the most out of my battery life, I like to keep all the light settings off. It also comes with a nice little charging dock. I have the displays mounted on a Vivo dual monitor stand. It's not the easiest thing to work with, but it's definitely worth the money, 100%. And there you have it. That's my new desk setup. If you have any questions about any of the products I used in this video, please feel free to leave a comment about it. And now it's time for the outro.
This quote says share a Coke with your leader. What alien writes things? Plugs on. What do we put on the can? Leader. They love their leader.